This week US dollar has started with the bearish candles. In the first 2 days, the price has reached the support level 1.14821. From there, the price has retraced back up and recovered, and we can see the price has reached the resistance level 1.15847. Only on a Friday, the price has retraced slightly back down, bouncing from this area of resistance just because the end of the week when the traders close their profits and closing their trades, which has also triggered this sell-off, small sell-off. On the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. It looks like a bullish candle that has been created on the chart, and we can see it has bounced from this area of support, 1.14821. Now what we can make as a conclusion, what could happen in the next week. First of all, the price has reached the resistance level here, 1.1585. On the weekly time frame, it has bounced back down. So it is very important to see how the price will behave, because it's very hard to predict when the price reaches an area of resistance or support. In this case, it is resistance, how the price will behave. Will it attack again this area of resistance, or it will retrace back down? At least what I can see currently, I do not have clear information where the price could go, because I need to see a clear information, a breakout in one of the directions to have precise indication where the price could go, like in this example in the previous week. So for now, I'm waiting outside, waiting for a clear signal until the market makes a move. When the market makes a move, I follow the trend and also the market, and then targets one of the support or resistance levels. But for now, what I can see on the weekly time frame, the price is currently in the bearish sentiment. Currently, it has just retraced from this area of support. How the price will behave, will it manage to return back inside the bullish mode, returning back inside this range area on the weekly time frame? It's something that we need to watch and wait for the price to make a move, the market to make a move. So for now, stay outside, wait for a clear signal, and then enter into the market. If you would like to receive the updates during the week when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts, where the price could go, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. So join other traders to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.